to the mix, lovelies and friends. And it's one day before Christmas. And on the mix today we have Dwayne. And Dwayne is speaking about Marcia, and he's speaking about Donna. He's also speaking about the Planketarians. And now he's saying that basically that, uh, people are basically harassing and bullying Marcia, and it's time for them to stop. He is saying that people are doing this because they think basically that Marcia is coming out to speak about Donna, which he says that she's not, and it's time for them to let go and stop harassing her. He's saying that they that Marcia is not bothering Donna, and he went to the point too where he says that she's not bothering your master. And so he is out and, speaking about this, trying to stop the bullying, as he said. He said that it's a day in, day out thing, and it's an everyday thing that they're sitting on Marcia's back. He, however, says that he's not defending Marcia, but he just wanted to be known that people need to stop. So go ahead and go catch the video, hear what he has to say about this. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their beautiful birthdays today, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my followers, my friends, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day. Go hear what Dwayne has to say. Please leave your comments in the comment section. Have a great one now. And be safe out there as we approach Christmas.
From right where it takes me to be coming out here and pointing out where you guys are going wrong. Imagine getting up, you got planks, the whirling planks, you guys get up every day. You sit on Porty's page, every day you whirling planks, you get up every day. You sit on Angela Merchant's page and you harass Marcia Campbell. You harass Marcia Campbell. Marcia Campbell, hello Curly, I'm just pointing out where these people have been they're very much lacking in terms of the areas they're lacking. I have to point them out. Hello, Marcia is not troubling Donegal. She does not trouble your master. So my question to you is, why is it every day you guys get up and be beating this woman? Every goddamn day you guys get up, you harass her, you troll her, you bully her. You people are bullies. At this point, you people are bullies, and you think you're doing something great. In fact, you people are making this world a very bitter, unscrupulous place. You are. Sorry to tell you the truth. Sorry to burst your bubble, but it's the truth. It is the whole truth and nothing but the absolute gospel. Good planks, this is not for you. But if you want to take offense to the things I'm saying, do so at your own leisure. Either way, I don't care. I know for a fact you guys don't care about me. You guys don't care about me. So, hello, I actually don't care. I don't care. Sorry to mess up. I don't care. I do not give a shit. I don't. That's the truth. I really don't. I don't. You know, that person over there, that one from England, he promotes them too. He promotes nonsense. Man, this person would be a business person. What if one day he's promoting them and something tragic happens to these people, right? Especially the one over there. That you guys have to, like, the one on a lot of Costa say she carried drugs in her catches. That one. Let's talk about that one. That one is not on here doing a lot these days. But yet, so you guys always find time to promote people, to troll that woman. And hello, lady over there, I know you don't care for me either. And to be quite frank, I kind of don't care about your nonsense character either. However, right is right and wrong is wrong. Oftentimes, you don't be troubling these people, yet still they do find time to be up in your glory. It's the truth. It's the truth. Yes, she's very problematic herself. She's very problematic. But trust me, for the most part, it's always you people stirring the pot because you want something to drag that woman for. Call a spade a spade. It is what it is. I don't care. Hello, I'm new and improved, and I have no fear in my heart. You know, Donna always says, fear, false evidence appearing real, right? And this is what a lot of you guys do. You bring out a lot of false evidence against people and make it seem real. Did I tell a lie? Did I tell a lie? Donna says fear means false evidence appearing real. And this is what you guys do every day. You come out with a lot of false doctrines, a lot of false narratives, and you spin it so well. You spin it so well. People will automatically believe these things. But you damn well know the things you say about these people are clearly made up. You know what's so sad? You know what's so sad? The fact that you guys invest so much of your time in these people's lives, to the point where you go all out to investigate these people so you can have something to come out here and disgrace them for. Don't you guys see? Your lives are very miserable. Your lives are very, very chaotic and very, very sad. And it's the truth. Your lives are very... In fact, a lot of you, you're living in people's shadows. You're living in people's shadows. And that is a cycle. That is a cycle. You must do your best to break it and find yourself. Find yourself and live for you. Live for who? You. Y-O-U. Live for yourself. Live for your children. Live for your grandchildren. Live for the Lord. Live for God himself. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh my soul. I worship his holy name. Sing like never before. Sing like never before. Oh my soul. Come, let's worship his holy. Stop worship man. Stop worship woman. Worship God. God is the only entity you should be out here putting on pedestal amongst other things. Not man, not woman like you or I. Get out of here. Get out of here. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Get out of here. I will never praise them. None of them I will ever praise, because all of them are the same. All of them what? Are what? The same. All of them are what? The same. Very, very problematic. Very problematic. You know what was so puzzling? You're saying people, they tried to say I'm the mix-up one, but yet still it was them who was out here parading and putting on all of this gossip, per se, chaos in social media land. And people like myself, I took it now and I went and blogged about it. And that made me mix up. Imagine. I've never in my life heard anything like this. Never. Who is the mix-up ones? Is it not your people? It's your people. They are very mix-up. I don't care. At their mix-up. In fact, they are the gaslighters. They are the fire starters. They are the fire starters / gaslighters. And when people like me take it and go blog about it now, then automatically I become mix-up. Okay. I hear you. What you not telling me? Okay, I accept, girl. Girls and boys, I accept. Oh God, that's I really have to laugh. You people, you are a pack of fools. I swear to God, you're a pack of idiots. And hello, I am not saying this because I'm seeking your validation. I told you I don't want it. Keep it to yourself. However, I'm still going to speak my 2 cents on things I see. I'm going to speak my 2 cents. As long as I'm respectful, that is what matters. Respect is reciprocal. Respect is reciprocated. You respect me, I respect you. Do you guys realize I'm not on here cursing them? Those days are long gone. I listen. This is how I got caught up before, because they got me in a corner, and the only way I could come back at them was to curse. If only I was in the mindset I was in now, I would have known, Lord God, I deserved one. But trust me, it's never too late for a shower of rain. It is never too late for a shower of rain. Never. Keep reporting, you pathetic buffoon. Nothing is going to happen. Nothing. You're wasting your time. You are wasting your time. See, I told you, These people, they are in a gang. They are in a gang. Many of you on here are also, you too are part of their gang. And that is a shame. That is a shame. Imagine, have I, in a short time span, you have known me. Have I ever come on here and cocked any kind of GUNs ever? Ever. I have never done it. You know why? Because my parents, they told me those things. In fact, I know those things. They take lives. They take lives. And I will never come out here and promote things I know takes people's lives. However, the people you guys are on here promoting, they have sat on their live streams. They have sat on their live stream, especially Gavin Salmon Ashanti. He sat on his live stream not once, not twice, many times. And what did he do? He cocked his GUN. Even when he was in Florida, staying at, I think it was Janet's home. He cocked it too. And you guys will make me feel like I'm the worst thing at lies he told. In fact, you people and them are worse. In fact, you are the epitome. You are the epitome of what is wrong with society. And I kid you not, it's the truth. Have I ever stolen from you? Have I ever harmed you? Have I ever in my life come at any of you in a manner that's not pleasing, apart from tell a too bad word and to come off my page? Have I ever? Never. But they have. They've sat in the live streams and cocked GUNs. And you continue to endorse them and promote them. Hello? I will not. In fact, I'm always going to talk about him I'm always going to come out here and outline to social media. He sits on his page and he cocks GUNs. He does. The other day, Naya Gang busted 41, aka Marvin, and one more person. They tragically lost their lives because of GUN violence. They did. And you planker people, you are on social media promoting these people who's out here promoting GUNs as well. It's the truth. I told no lies. You're gonna stay mad. You are gonna stay mad until you guys have truly broken up your filigrams. You are gonna stay mad. You're gonna stay mad. I don't care. I'm gonna tell you. I'll always tell you. And whoever want to hear, will hear. Who don't want to hear, go about your business. Or you even want to sit here and continue to harass me. But either way, I'm still gonna talk. Sorry to burst your bubble. All you guys can do is report my life. That's all you can do. You can't do nothing else. It's not like you guys can come to London and harass me. Because trust me, I press my button, the police will be in no time. And you're gonna get arrested. Because me, I am an upstanding citizen of the world. I live my life according to the law. I follow all codes of conduct at all times. Unlike you, William Planks, you do not live your lives according to the law. In fact, you are on here endorsing people to harass, torment, and bully people. That's what you guys are on here doing. And I'm going to always tell you, and I don't care who want to be upset. If you don't want to hear, get off my page. You are not being shackled. You are not being chained to stay here. In fact, you can go somewhere else. Just go somewhere else, because I don't miss Lagata. I'm not lucky. And again, your people, you know them by name, the platform holders. If anything happens to anyone on here, they will be blamed also, because their hands will not be clean. Their hands will not be clean in this mess. It won't be. Did you guys hear? Donna said the other day, social media is becoming scary. Donna said the other day, social media is becoming scary. On one of her content that she blogged about on YouTube, she said social media has become very scary because of what happened to that young man in Montego in Jamaica. But Donna should have known. A long time ago, social media was becoming scary. Based on everything that's been happening out here, the people she promotes, right? I'm not gonna say she knows that person was on his page cocking GUNs. However, I'm sure probably someone would have passed and said, Auntie, you know what I'm saying? On a damn lucky, on a lucky, I'm going to talk, I'm going to speak. I am going to speak. And I'm not going to stop speaking until you guys learn to stop your nonsense. She should have known. Okay. You guys realize as soon as I call her name, you realize as soon as I call her name, they want to start again. She should have known that social media was very scary. She should have known. She should have not allowed one innuendo or two innuendo to know that social media was becoming scary. She should have seen her people doing filthy nonsense, and she should have known automatically that it was becoming very, very bad. And you people who promote them should have known that it was becoming very bad too, or it was becoming very scary. But no, you know what I've realized? We won't know something is diabolical until it until it lands on our doorstep. Did I tell you guys 2 years ago when I was in Jamaica, I went to Franklin Town. And bear in mind, this person, Ashanti, he was scoping me out. Even when I went to Richmond Estate, he was scoping me out. I'm telling you, he scoped me out. He watched my every move. He could tell me, I'm there. When I went to Franklin Town, you know what happened? Do you guys know what happened? I am sure he made a phone call because I'm sure he still has connections in Franklin Town. I'm going to say he called that freaking, what's her name? And Big Red. And said, Big Red, the boy I want to say now. You know what happened? This young man, he approached us. In fact, he went past us. He went up the road. And his face was tied up. He went up the road. Okay, he's probably gone to go smoke his stuff, whatever. And maybe because we was probably on the live stream, he didn't want his face to be seen, right? Okay, cool. The boy came back down the road. You know what he did? Where are they? That's what happened. You know what that was? That was a big GUN. My cousin who suffers from epilepsy. Almost collapsed. She almost collapsed. Right? The young woman almost collapsed. Her young son at the time, he was 10 years old. He was 10 or 11. He's just now entered high school. Literally not too long ago entered high school, right? That little boy was with us too. My driver, Germany, was with us too. What if that boy was on some really strong substance and decided to pull the trigger? What if? Did you guys stop and think about that? Stop. How is it now social media is becoming scary? How is it now? Why is it now social media is becoming scary? When that man was in Florida in Janet's home cocking that GUN, not once, not twice, many times. Should you guys not have known that this person he's a loose cannon? You should have known he was unhinged, right? You should have known this person was unhinged. You should have known. But no, because you guys think, oh, he's fighting for your camp. He's doing great. No, in fact, he's not. He's not doing great. And any of you who continues to endorse him, you too, you really have lost your. You've lost everything. You've lost your self-respect. You've lost your ethics. You've lost your values. You've definitely lost your principles. You have lost your moral compass. The other day, 2 weeks ago, maybe like 3 weeks ago, Stacey was on her live stream. You know what Stacey did? Do you know what Stacey did? She pulled out the same thing and she cocked it too. She cocked it. And these are people you have been endorsing, plank of people. These are people you have been endorsing. I told no lies on you. You know, I even went there and I said, listen, I went over a fake page and I tried to reach out to her. I tried very hard. I said, sister, I said, remember yourself. You love God. You sing so beautifully. Remember who you are. Go and ask her if a fake page did not come there and speak to her. Go and ask her. Go ask her. And she was going back and forth with me in the comments. She was. Go and ask her. you know, I try so hard for you to help you people to find back yourselves, but it's like every time I try, I stumble upon like a gate. It's like my message is being gatekept, which means it never reaches the ears it's supposed to reach, because people feel compelled to harass me, bully me, amongst other things. But in fact, you don't realize I actually mean well. I actually mean well. I mean well for you, because trust me, if something happens to these very people you guys are on here harassing and tormenting, their their misery it will be on your shoulders. It will be. Stop allowing these people to use you as a weapon against others. You don't know any of them. You don't know me. And hello, I would never expect anybody to praise me, because I am not God. And none of them are God either. So how are you on here allowing these people to have you all of you like puppets? I don't know. In fact, I'm puzzled. I'm puzzled. I really am puzzled myself. I'm truly puzzled. You are all selling your souls. You're losing yourself. You're all losing yourselves.